Ford demonstrates the F-150 light. This isn't. Yeah, this is the one I was thinking about.
Okay, cool.
This is a good story.
I'm glad.
That's a good story. Finally, a good story, Will.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Talking about jeans over here.
Ford, yeah, man, you just went sideways when you saw the jeans and the no belt. I mean, all of a sudden,
got me.
you were like underneath your table over there.
Yeah.
Like, where did Will go? Where did Will go? Why is he upside down? Yeah, so Ford showed off another cool feature, Ford Lightning truck charging another electric vehicle, almost like a boost.
Yeah, in this case, it was a Mach-E.
Well, of course, it was a Mach-E. Well,
of course, yeah.
In this case, but little cable hookup. I'm sure if you had an adapter, it could be some other car.
Mm-hmm.
As of right now, Ford Motor Company has 200,000 reservations lined up for the Lightning, and those drivers will have additional benefit of being able to use their Lightning to charge any other EV on the road. Any other EV on the road. You see, it's key, Will.
Yes.
They show it with the Mach-E, but... so it has an AC charging output of up to 7.6 kilowatts, and it's the first of its kind in the world and is sure to excite not only future Lightning owners, but other electric vehicle owners as well. Especially on a truck. You just roll up in your Lightning, you're like, you got a problem there?
Mm-hmm.
You need a little bit of juice?
It can also charge
I'll hook you up.
the Lightning as well, like another Lightning.
Yeah, Lightning to Lightning.
Together.
Well, on the job site, how cool would that be?
Yeah.
Guy needs a little boost. I mean, it's not going to be the fastest, but in a pinch, you're not really complaining, are you?
No.
And it looks to have some specialty cable going on there. They say aftermarket equipment is shown. So it's some sort of specialty cable, but I think everyone's going to buy that cable if you can get it and boost somebody else up. That's so convenient and useful. I can imagine even in my driveway, you know, I guess not in my driveway because I would probably have a charger there as well. It would be emergency situations mostly that you would utilize this. Road trips maybe. And yeah, I don't know. But it's a cool thing. It's kind of like the powering the house. It's something you like to know you have. You're not going to use it all the time, but you like to know that you have it.
Yeah.
So what do they say? It's estimated to add an average range of 20 miles per charging hour to a Mustang Mach-E with extended range and rear-wheel drive. Up to 13 miles of charge per hour on an F-150 Lightning. So that's Lightning to Lightning.
Yeah.
Smaller, highly efficient EVs will grab even more range in an hour. Oh, man. Could you imagine them all daisy-chained together in a fleet? If you had like 10 pickups in your fleet of service vehicles and they're all charging one another. Or I just see that it says E-Transit low-roof cargo vans.
Wait a second. Yeah, when you mentioned daisy chain, can it just go into one charger and then into?
I don't know. No.
And then multiple vehicles are just charging off of the other?
I was getting way too excited.
Oh, that would be very cool.
It would be cool, but it would take forever. Obviously, you got way more batteries and only one
for sure
outlet. But I just am trying to imagine scenarios where it could be pretty cool, pretty useful. It's definitely not daisy chain capable. Do not quote us on. We're just getting excited about a future in which cars charge cars.
I guess in this case, it would just be kind of like a boost. You know, if the Mustang Mach-E was like really in trouble, can boost it into like
it's
another
boost. But I'm also,
station.
now that I'm thinking about work vans, cargo vans, it could be, you know, two workers from one company are meeting up for lunch, let's say, or have a break, or they're refilling their trucks with cargo, and one of them has a much higher battery capacity at that moment, and they're like, oh, just plug into mine, and I'll lose a little bit, but I don't need it today anyway, and you get a little bit more, and we can save a trip having to find a charger.
Right.
So fleets, I think, could find interesting ways to engage with this feature.